Unveiling the Xiaomi Mix Flip, the future of foldable phones. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Xiaomi Mix Flip, Xiaomi's first flip foldable smartphone that's making its global debut with an eye-catching launch price of €1,300. With its sleek design and powerful specs, the Mix Flip is set to revolutionize the foldable phone market. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Mix Flip. We'll explore the stunning 4 OLED cover display and the expansive 6.86 OLED main screen, perfect for streaming and multitasking. Camera features: check out the dual 50MP cameras, main and ultrawide, that promise exceptional photography capabilities. We'll show you some sample shots and discuss their performance. Performance powerhouse, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. We'll put the Mix Flip through its paces to see how it handles gaming and demanding apps. Battery and charging: discover the 4,780 mAh battery and 67W charging capabilities that ensure you stay powered throughout the day. Software innovations: learn about Xiaomi's new Powerhouse, featuring advanced AI and integration with Google's Gemini Nano and Circle to Search. Whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious about the latest tech trends, this video has something for everyone. What are your thoughts on foldable phones? Do you think the Xiaomi Mix Flip has what it takes to compete? Drop your questions and comments below, and let's chat. Don't forget to like this video if you find it informative, subscribe for more tech reviews, and share it with your friends who love gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content and hit the notification bell to stay updated. What features are you most excited about in the Xiaomi Mix Flip? Let us know in the comments.